Good morning. Today is a very, very special day. But hold on. Just hold on. Wait. Yes. So today is a very exciting day and a day that I have been waiting for so long. Hmm. Is it better now? Yes, I think. You wanna know why? I'll tell you why. But should I tell you? Yes. So, do you guys remember I told you that I was supposed to meet one of my best friends at the airport, which did not happen? Excellent, terrible fail, if that makes sense. But, and then I said maybe there is a chance that we will meet very, very soon. And we decided to make that happen. I did not decide it, she decided to make that happen and come to Bangalore to meet me. So, एक तो I don't know why I'm so messed up today. But, one minute. I don't know what I need. What do I need? Yes, okay, I know what I need. So she decided to come to Bangalore and she landed yesterday. So we are meeting. We have the entire day today, more or less. Because so this reservation I made with her long back because I told her if you are coming, then I need an entire day with you. I'm done with those 2 hour meetings and all of that. I want the entire day so that I can plan it. So today there are certain things that I have planned. Let's see how much of that actually happens because we plan a lot of things, but life takes us in a different route. So let's see how much of it will actually happen. Okay, this is not comfortable. Where do I put this right? So it is right now 10:30 and generally by this time I am done with my breakfast more or less, but today I'm not. So okay, I'm supposed to see here. Shit, I've been seeing in the mirror for the whole time. I'm supposed to see. So I'm still getting used to this, okay, but it's fun. It's something that I like doing and I've been enjoying doing it. So yes, I'm not gonna have breakfast with her because so she is staying with one of her family members. So and we are living in two extremes of Bangalore as usual. This was the same city. This was the same problem in Mumbai and it's same here also. But so we are meeting somewhere in the middle, which is suitable for both of us. And she's been to Bangalore before also, so she has some idea of Bangalore. And right now, I'm as usual getting late because before I go to meet her, I need to have my breakfast and I need to go and give my blouse for stitching for the wedding because guys, 2 weeks to go, just 2 weeks to go, and the final sari that I'm wearing for the wedding is not, what do I say, it's not ready yet because the blouse is unstitched. That's very, very typical of me, by the way. People who are great planners, sorry, but I tend to do a lot of things at the last minute. Okay. I'm wearing a very, very simple outfit. I don't know if you guys can see. This is not black, by the way. I love wearing black. I wear black most of the time, but today I'm wearing navy. Something. And it's also for two reasons. the sun will can come at any point of time and decide to make me tan. But it all the more important is because I'm going for the entire day. So, and it will get chilly as and when 6 p.m. hits. So I'm already prepared for that, so that I don't need to worry. Because so see, I have zero tolerance. I feel cold very easily, as well as I feel hot very easily. So this is to fix all of that. Most of my outfits are based on this decision whether or not I'll be feeling cold today. So yes, for now I will just finish this up and I will see you very soon, and I'll take you through the entire day, and I might show her today. So you might get to meet her today. I'm very excited. I hope you guys are. So let's go and meet her. So the first step was to have breakfast, and for breakfast today I am in Rameshwaram Cafe. Let me show you. You will for sure see what I'm gonna eat, because I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna eat a lot of things, and then I would head to the metro station, and I'll take you with me. But for now, let me show you Rameshwaram. So this is Rameshwaram Cafe of JP Nagar, and they have really good food. So if you come to Bangalore, definitely visit this one. So I have reached MG Road, and now I have crossed Church Street. Okay, please don't mind, I'm a little bit tired. So you can see that on my face. But I'm walking towards our lunch spot, which is 18 Commune. That's there in Mumbai also, but it's there in Bangalore also, and I wanted to try this. So let's wait. Yes, so let's do that, and I will meet her in the next 5 minutes. and you might get to meet her today. Hello, so I am in Cubbon Park today, and as promised I was supposed to meet one of my best friends because she's in Bangalore and by now I think all of you know about it. So I think it is time to meet her. Yes, so she's with me, let's do it. Ek second. Yes.
Hi.
Yeah, okay. तो we are at मैंने बता दिया we are in Cubbon Park.
Yes.
And we were the ones who were supposed to meet at the Mumbai airport.
But we couldn't. That's a funny story.
So yes, so we kept talking to each other on text.
Yes.
And
We tried to manage our times, but the flight.
Yes, because she landed in international airport. And
I didn't know that I was standing at T2 and she was at T1.
Yes, that was क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Communication gap.
Yeah.
हाँ, exactly. So that is where we failed. But now she is in Bangalore to meet me. To meet me? Yes.
Yes.
So okay. So I thought you guys should know that she is one of my best friends. And how did we actually meet? How did we meet?
So it was the first day in college, and apparently I don't remember seeing her on the very first day.
Ouch. Yes.
So yeah,
but I saw her.
You saw me?
I saw her. Yes.
Okay, I didn't.
So we actually met in the first week of our MBA.
Yeah, first week.
That was 2.5 years ago. Yeah. So, and we had our induction week.
Yes, first week was induction week, and then that there was this thing na, that playing क्या था?
मुझे नहीं क्लासरूम एक्टिविटीज
नहीं जहाँ अपन सब खेले थे आउटबाउंड एक्टिविटी या
आउटबाउंड सो हाँ इधर जरा थोड़ा यस सो हाँ आउटबाउंड में तो वी हैव 2 different stories by the way. According to me, we met in the first week wherein we had some group project that we were supposed to do, and somehow we came in the same
group. नहीं
तो फिर
नहीं I remember
that's my side of story by the way. नहीं कुछ नहीं होता है.
I remember that after the first day we four, you, me, Swarnima, Divya, we were sitting in the same bench, and that's how we met. Like we got introduced कि you are Malvika, I am Sakshi, and उसके बाद there was this inbound वाला activity. उसमें we got to know each other. और उसमें I think we were in the same team.
नहीं, we were in the same team for 2 different projects. One was the outbound
One
Yeah.
was the classroom activity. So classroom activity में we met for the first time.
अच्छा ठीक है, okay.
Yes, that's the story. And so outbound में we had one entire day of activities to do in our college premises only. And one of the activities was to get through
A spider web something, and then we carried Malvika.
because I am
She was the shortest in the group
yes,
and the thinnest.
yes,
So it was easy for us to carry her.
and get
then-
points through me.
Yes.
And in the end we lost.
Yeah.
We never won. I think we were the last or second last
Second
team
last.
to reach.
Yeah.
So we lost. But that
But it was fun.
yeah, it was fun. I think that was the time when we actually started
Bonded.
talking,
Yeah.
bonded well. And since then, we decided that we will sit together for our entire
Entire college.
MBA.
Yes.
And
But then
we
she
have-
took HR. So
But I
apparently
also-
second year अलग अलग हो गए.
But I also took strategy. Okay, so in the second year, we both took strategy.
Yeah.
But somehow we ended up in different classes for no reason. I was literally in the next class. We could have been together.
But she wasn't. She tried hard to come into our class. She fought with the admission department and the administration that she wanted to shift the class because of reason.
Because
Mental break.
Yes, mental break. mental breakdown हो रहा था मेरा. But नहीं हुआ वो. And then in the end हमने क्या किया? We used to sit outside our
Yeah.
classes
हाँ.
and do all the gossip.
Yes.
Because class के अंदर. But I also attended some of your
Yeah, yeah.
lectures.
You came in our lecture only.
I used to sit in their lectures also. That
Yes.
was now I hope KJ doesn't flag us. But nahin, but it was nice. So that's how we met. And today we have only today to be together. And then after this, I don't know when we are going to meet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not this year for sure. And probably next year, because
Yes.
next year we have something to attend together. Which we will let you know later on.
Which will be disclosed in
Yes.
some time.
As and when time comes, we
Yeah.
will let you know. But for now, we will have our dinners and then hope to meet again very, very soon.
Yes.
So that I can again bring her in my channel to give you more gossip about the things that we have done in MBA. Right?
Done,
Yes.
done.
So till then, see,
Bye.
so yes, but
Huh.
you'll still see us having nice food and
Huh.
doing
That
stuff.
is
Huh.
left.
Yeah, that's what we.
It's only what 4:30. So
Hmm.
we have
Yes, we have time. Okay.
See ya.